Good morning from Okoboji. We are in the Lakes region. We are kind of, I guess you'd say, North Milford. And I am here with Mark, and Mark has a new listing of what I think is just a charming, wonderful property. Mark, tell us about where we are and what's going on.
Yeah, we're actually in the city of Milford, but only a block from Emerald Hills Golf Course and within walking distance of the amusement park and the lake. And so, yeah, and behind us, you'll see one of the ponds here at the nature trails. And if you look far to the distance over there, you'll see the spine trail. So, great location and then a great house. The house is 3+ bedrooms. It's got a fourth one upstairs that's non-conforming, and almost 3,000 square feet of space. And you're right next to the Nature Trails clubhouse and pool. So if you're the kind of person that our family that is looking for amenities, this is the place.
Let's go inside and show them.
Okay. Seldom do we highlight bathrooms, but I thought you'd like to see this one. This is one of those classic 5-piece bathrooms. We got double vanity. We've got its own area for the commode that has its own door. We've got a jacuzzi type tub here, a big walk-in shower, and a closet you can get lost in. So come check this one out.